Next, a postman was returning to post office which was in front of him to the north. When the post office was 100 meters away from him, he turned to the left and moved 50 meters to deliver his last letter at a house. He then moved in the same direction for 40 meters, turned to his right and moved 100 meters. How many meters was he away from the post office? See, the problem figures look to be difficult, but they are not so. Very simple problem. See, this is a post office 100 meters away from him. He turns to left. See, he turns to left, then delivers a letter at B, then moves 40 ahead, and then turns right, and then moves 100. So these two are 100, right? And this is 90. So what is the distance of D from the post office? 50 plus 40, 90. So 90 is the answer. 90 meters. Next,